Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to connect your Gumroad account to Payoneer, I'm going to show you quickly and easily how you can get it done. So let's go. So right from the homepage, you're going to go up to the right-hand side. You're going to get to your dashboard by clicking on dashboard. And on the left-hand side, you will see a menu, and we're going to look for settings. And this is where you'll basically be able to change all of the settings of your Gumroad account, including your payment details. So to receive payment to your Payoneer account, you're going to go all the way and look for payments on this top ribbon over here, and you go to a page that looks like this. Now, what you want to do from here is you can change your payout schedule, and then you can add your payment method down here. So what you need to do is go and click on bank account and add a valid bank account. You need to have a bank account to have any additional third-party payment apps available. So go ahead, add a bank account. Once you've done that, you're going to go all the way down and you will see a Payoneer button appear right at the bottom of this screen. Now, once that's appeared, you can go and click on it and connect your Payoneer account, and you can receive funds directly from Gumroad into Payoneer.